We're going to be palpating the muscle known as Anconeus next. Now, Anconeus is kind of a synergist with tricep. However, its main function is at the end range of elbow extension. So we often call that terminal extension. It's originating here on the lateral epicondyle of the humerus. So in this case, it's going to look kind of more like a triangle. So I'm going to show you the whole muscle first before we start activating it. And its fibers run straight down, in this case, towards her Olecranon, and then start to fan out to fill in our whole triangle shape. So it inserts on the Olecranon and that proximal posterior shaft of the ulna. So I'm outlining 3 points, trying to show my triangle shape, and I'm going to ask my person to lock their elbow and go all the way into extension. And what you often see is there's an indentation that shows up and quite easily a triangular shape right there. So I'm going to put my thumb right in the middle of that. I'm going to relax and then again push into terminal extension. Good. And we can easily feel the Anconeus muscle, which is often, even in a slightly bent elbow, soft, but as soon as it goes into a locked terminal position, it becomes quite hard in this area. So that is the origin to insertion. Now again, Anconeus, just like triceps, is also innervated by the radial nerve.